If you're serious about woodworking, the quality of your tools matters. This card scraper, made in the USA from 0.032 thick American blue spring steel, offers the durability and precision you need for flawless results. Its high carbon steel composition reaches 50 on the Rockwell scale, meaning the edge holds up longer, especially on hardwoods. Measuring 5 inches long, the scraper's edges come pre-filed and smooth, which makes sharpening quicker and burnishing smoother. That translates into less downtime and more time crafting with confidence. While the burnisher isn't included, using one is highly recommended to unlock the best scraping performance possible. One top reviewer shared their experience using this scraper for tillering a bow. They noted how effortlessly it shaved the wood in fine spirals, making the process smoother and more precise. The scraper worked flawlessly throughout the week, proving its reliability under demanding conditions. What really stands out is the balance between toughness and ease of use. The scraper is thick enough to maintain a strong edge but still manageable for detailed work. Whether you're shaping hardwood or refining a project's surface, this tool offers consistent control and clean results. If you're looking for a scraper that lasts and performs without fuss, this American-made option is worth a look. It's built to handle tough jobs while giving you the precision you want. Plus, its durability means it's a tool you can pass down or keep for years. Investing in this scraper means fewer interruptions for sharpening and better quality finishes every time. If that's you, someone who values reliability and sharp performance, this tool fits right into your workshop. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your scraping game. With its proven edge retention and smooth sharpening experience, it's designed to make your woodworking projects easier and more enjoyable.